welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing awesome. Always put God first in everything that you are doing and all those wonderful things. So guys, welcome back. I haven't been uploading a video in a second, but today I decided on doing so because your girl been trying to think and come up with stuff and ideas and all those wonderful things for my channel as well. And I was taking a little break because taking breaks is good at time, so I'm back here with another video. So down below on the title you will see what this video is all about. So guys, sit back and relax and check it out. Like, share, comment and subscribe, and let me know what you think about this video, because guys, I'm going to install a wig that I bought from Luvme here, as you notice what the title said down below. So stick around, stay tuned. I'm excited and nervous at the same time because I haven't been here for a while. I'm trying to get back all those wonderful feeling and go get feeling, feel more confident and all of that. Get back used to you guys and the YT world. So guys, like, share and comment and subscribe, and also if you want you can share out my videos and tell a friend about my channel. So stick around and stay tuned. Here's my box. I haven't even opened it as yet, so I'm going to do just that and let you guys see what it's looking like. We're gonna get right into the video. So guys, what you guys have been up to? How was your day? How was your night? Hope all is well. Let me know in the comment section if everything's okay. So here's my box. This is my lovely box, guys. This is what the box looks like. As you guys know, this is not my first time doing a video like this. So yeah, so let's open. Da-da-da. Oh my goodness. So anyways, let me show you guys what's going on right here. This is what came in here. A little note forming up, telling me all kind of stuff. The wrapper. I don't really want to go too fast, but yeah, this is the hair. This is the hair, guys. It's actually a bob. I love bob. Came with a edge brush. I think this is a what is this? What is this? What is this? Ooh, it's a melting thingy. I don't know what it is, but it say "Love Me" on there. I think it should tie around. It's like a headband thingy to melt your wig. I mean, your edges, I guess. And they also sent me. They also sent me oh my god, so I can take this off. Oh my goodness, this is cute. I actually love the color. Oh my god, this is nice. And it say "Love Me" on there. Can you see, guys? It say "Love Me" period. I like this. They also send me a wig cap, and I think that's about it. Oh my god, I thought they would have cut the front for me, but they didn't cut it. But I think it's bleached. It's a middle part, this, guys, and it's a 12. Is it a 12 inch bob? This, guys, I had already put my cap on. And slick down my hair. So here goes. This video is not gonna be too long. Here you go. Oh, I didn't show you guys the strap. This is the strap. Just in case you want to tighten it for it to fit your head. Let me do just that now because my head is a little small head I have right here. It's not that big. So let me adjust the strap. This, guys. It have the comb inside here you can stick on your braids. It have two at the sides, one here. And of course, I thought they would have cut the lace for me, but they didn't. But I'm gonna try and do that. So let's put it on and see how it looks on me. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. I love it. I love it. I love the length and everything. The length, guys, and it's slick down. I don't have to use any glue. Don't have to use any glue or anything. Oh, I like it. Nice. Look at it. The texture is so nice. Oh wow. This is me. Oh, I like it. I like it. Oh my god. So beautiful. Anyways, let me try and cut the lace. Where's my scissors? I just had it. I'm gonna just use this little scissors and cut it. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. I don't know if I'm cutting it too close. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Ooh, think I'm doing a good job. This is nice. This is nice. Guys, this is nice. Tell me in the comment section. Tell me in the comment section what do you think about this hair. Tell me if you like it. Because I love it. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna get a little foundation. I'm gonna use a little foundation on here because I don't really want to use a powder, so it's best if I use a foundation so it kind of blend in, because it's a little bit too white. Guys, I don't have to use any the stocking cap that I have on, it's a little bit too bright. Oh my goodness, this is something to talk about. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. I think I'm gonna change the stocking cap and come back for you guys to see the difference. So let me pause you guys for a minute. So guys, we are back. So you can see the difference because I had changed the stocking cap that I had on first and put on a little darker one because the other one was a little bit lighter. So guys, now we are on track. Look at it, guys. Oh my god. if I want, I can put it in a bun like so, but I'm not really gonna wear it like that for all the time. But I like to put my hair in a bun. But ooh, the length is everything and it suits me so well. So guys, I'm gonna curl the ends or straighten them a little bit. Yes guys, I'm loving this. Love me hair is everything, guys. Love me hair is everything. Oh, I don't want to give it any curl. I'm just gonna straighten it. Whew. Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. Oh my God. This seems like it's my new hair. Guys, this is my hair. This is my hair. I bought it, so it's mine. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Period. I like it. Oh my God. Guys, I wish I have a code. I wish if this was a promotion. Oh my God. But it's not. It's not, guys. I wish it was so I could share codes and stuff with you guys. Oh my goodness. The length is everything. This is 12-inch. I look so cute. I look so good. I'm looking good. I love this. Oh my goodness. Guys, I can't tell you guys how much I love this hair. This is actually a second time purchasing hair from Luvme Hair. And guys, I'm telling you, I'm not sorry. They always make me feel so happy about this. I mean, they always make me feel good because the first buy was and now it's the second time, guys. And tell me in the comment section what you think about this hair, because I'm loving it. Period. I'm so happy. I'm so happy, guys. I don't have to worry about buying any hair for now because I can use this for whatever time I want to use it, go wherever I want to go. Period. My Luvme rewards. Oh, my membership guide. Oh my God, I'm a VIP. A VIP. Join us. What? A quick snap. Register a log away for your account once you're automatically. Oh my God, guys. Just taking this hair. Because I am loving it. For real. This is 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Grade it. Put it in the comment section. Let me know because I'm grading it because it's 10 out of 10. Right, guys? Like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Big up on yourself. I'm so happy I put this on. I'm so happy I bought this hair because it's kind of building up my confidence more. Like, oh my God. I don't want to use that word that they be using, like, oh, the more or whatever. I don't want to. It's kind of outdated and it just started. But yeah, I'm loving this. I'm loving this, guys. Can you see that? Yes, guys, I'm loving it. So, let me give you a little show. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.